Hello guys, today we are checking out a live performance from that amazing girl group. This is Nona performing their song called HONK. Let's see what they did in this live performance.
Hey! Oh! Look at me, look at her, pics in the rearview mirror. Hit 'em up, potion, buckle up out the hair. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go. Get on the encore. Get on the encore. Get on the encore.
It is a very unusual song, but I love the uniqueness of it. It sounds so good. The girls have good energy and their vocals are really good.
The bus goes round and round. Got that junk in the trunk, and we make it down. Let's go, bitch. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, put my hand in your face, and I always in my way. But without bass, and I make you speak it free. Gotta take it to you, please, but I won't drop it. N-O-N-A, and the license plate. K-K-I-D, gentle like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own. I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Hey, let's get it. Get on the encore. Beep, beep. Get on the encore. Beep, beep. Get on the encore. Let me hear you. Hey, 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 come on. Hey, 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 hey. So you my
And that is a really great song. Such a fun song. It just makes you wanna dance and the girls have really good energy on stage. I love this. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.